At this moment, Buddy Plasmoid is performing a rotation with a 99 centimeters armored door on a goose-foot stairway that is only 100 centimeters wide. This is possible thanks to the crawler tracks, which maintain constant contact with the steps, providing stability and safety for the operator. This maneuver would never have been possible with an electric-wheeled trolley, due to the lack of support space on the inner side of the staircase. When the step allows it, the tracks can be retracted to let the wheels rest, allowing the next step to be reached. As clearly seen in this frame, the wheel doesn't have enough support space on the inside of the staircase step. Therefore, if it weren't for the rear tracks maintaining constant contact with the step, this maneuver wouldn't be possible. The weight is evenly distributed on the stairs thanks to the tracks, and the operator doesn't have to exert any effort. Here it's clear that the inner wheel lacks enough space to rest on the step, but Buddy Plasmoid remains stable without losing grip, thanks to its rear tracks.